Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Curry leaves. The scientific name of curry leaves is Murraya koenigi spreng. It is native to India. These belong to the Rutaceae family. It is also called Kadi patta in Hindi. Curry leaves are natural flavour agents with a variety of necessary health agents. They do not solely provide your food a pleasing aroma, however, it will enhance its flavour and health agents. The health agents of curry leaf conjointly embrace aiding weight loss, treating numerous epithelial duct problems, looseness of the bowels, dominant polygenic disorder, rising vision, and reducing stress. These contain numerous inhibitor properties that aid organic process problems. Associate in nursing an unhealthy sterol balance. They are conjointly believed to own cancer-fighting properties. Weight loss. Curry leaves contain carbazole alkaloids that lower lipoprotein cholesterol, prevent fatness, and maintains weight. Help in getting rid of free radicals. Free radicals within the body result in several forms of health ailments. Curry leaf square measures loaded with antioxidants that facilitate in protecting the body cells from any quiet radical injury. Help in relieving morning sickness. If you're feeling sick or offensive throughout your gestation, curry leaves could facilitate in reducing the symptoms. Consumption of curry leaves facilitates within the secretion of biological process enzymes which provides ease from nausea, projection and nausea. Help in improving eye health. Vitamin A is one in all the essential vitamins for your eyes. These square measure loaded with this vitamin and so ingestion these leaves in your daily diet might facilitate to keep your eyes in a very healthy state. Help in congestion of nose and chest. Curry leaves area unit power packed with axerophthol and C, and these leaves additionally contain the antibacterial drug, antifungal, medicinal drug, and antioxidative properties that are useful in reducing the symptoms of congestion, sinusitis, productive cough, and cold. Fight infection. Research on these has unconcealed that they are effective in fighting microorganisms and flora infections, thanks to the presence of carbazole alkaloids. This compound is thought to possess medicament, medication, and anti-cancer properties. The leaf extracts from the plant are resembling standard thought antibiotic medicine. Anti-diabetic properties. Perhaps one of all the largest health agents of curry leaves is their use in polygenic disease management. Research cited in a global journal of pharmaceutical sciences showed that the anti-hyperglycemic properties of the leaves were helpful in the dominant blood sugar level in diabetic rats. Good for eyesight. These contain high amounts of axerophthol that is useful for sightedness. In step with consultants, axerophthol contains carotenoids that defend the membrane and also the eye surface. Deficiency of axerophthol might cause the visual defect, cloud formations before the attention, and even loss of vision in some cases. Fight oxidative stress. A research study printed within the journal Food Chemistry has indicated that curry leaves area unit on honest supply of antioxidants. The presence of assorted vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, and E facilitates in reducing aerobic stress and atom scavenging activity. Heal wounds. These also are useful in skin care. The juice or paste of the leaves will be applied to burns, cuts, bruises, skin irritations, and bug bites for associate in nursing expedient recovery and clean healing. Fight cancer. The chemical constituents found in curry leaves, like phenols, square measure useful in fighting cancers like leukemia, adenocarcinoma, and large intestine cancers. One analysis study showed proof of colon cancer fighting properties within the carbazole alkaloids extracts from curry leaves. Lower cholesterol levels. These leaves are shown to own positive effects on reducing low density lipoprotein or unhealthy steroid alcohol levels. Studies have shown that they need the potential to scale back LDL cholesterol levels. However, any analysis is required to verify the results. Protect the liver. Your liver plays a significant role within the methodobiological process. Curry leaves will facilitate supply a lift of protection from any attack by free radicals, in addition to infective agents and microorganism attacks that may end in infection. Analysis of these has indicated that the tannins and carbazole alkaloids present within the leaves exhibited sensible hepatoprotective properties. These can be eaten at any time of day. They pair well with lentils, yogurt, coconut milk, aromatics such as onions, garlic, and ginger, mustard seeds, shell peppers, oyster sauce, pea shoots, eggplant, pork, and fish. How to buy and store curry leaves. You should take away the curry leaves from the stems, wash them, and pat them dry. Place them on an oversized plate with a sieve or mesh cover and set the leaves to move into the sun for 2 to 3 days. Store the dry leaves in an exceedingly plastic container. You will even keep them within the ice box and easily get one whenever you need it. Uses of curry leaves. If you suffer from anemia, eat 1 date, khajur, with 2 curry patta leaves on an empty abdomen each morning. This can not solely facilitate keep your iron levels up, it will conjointly cause you to stronger and beat the symptoms of anemia. This remedy is incredibly effective to strengthen the liver. Heat 1 spoon of homespun clarified butter, add the juice of a cup of curry patta, some sugar, and freshly pulverized pepper. Keep in mind to solely heat the mixture a touch as camphorol boils at terribly low temperatures and can even evaporate if hot. To help keep your blood sugar below check, you ought to ideally add curry patta to all or any your meals. Associate alternative or else having contemporary leaves on an empty abdomen every day also can facilitate. If you suffer from diarrhea, gently crush some curry patta into a ball and drink it with some buttermilk. Try this double to thrice every day for relief. They are very fashionable in hair care, primarily as a result of they contain antioxidants and amino acids. You'll be able to take a few of those leaves, then combine them with yogurt, smashing them up into a paste, apply this onto your hair, and leave the mixture certain 0.5 an hour. Then wash the mixture out and clean your hair as common. This will facilitate rejuvenate hair follicles. Ways to use curry leaves. You can use curry leaves in a very range of various ways, either within the preparation of food or surely health ages that this distinctive plant offers. You will be able to build curry leaf powder and add it to food to reap the advantages from the inhibitor content of the leaves. You will be able to additionally grind recent leaves into a paste and apply it to the skin to stop infections. They are best fitted to roasted applications like boiling, steaming, or cookery. Usually incorporated in southern and western Indian cookery and are used almost like bay leaves, though the leaves square measure edible when they are roasted and don't get to be removed before consumption. Curry leaves add a bright flavor to stews, curries, soups, rice dishes, and dals. The leaf square measure typically stripped from the stem, cooked in hot oil with alternative spices, associate degree either used as a base for creating a dish or poured over an already made dish for flavor. Seasons in which curry leaves are available. Curry leaves are available all year round. Safety profile for using curry leaves. Curry leaves might cause hypersensitive reactions in some folks. It's not wise to consume curry leaves if square measure, you're wheezing or are allergic to plant components like spore. The topical application of curry leaves could also be harmful to the hair within the future. It's wise to not eat the little pods coming back from the curry leaves. Though additional analysis should be tied the space curry pods area unit believed to be toxic. If you are having any allergic symptoms, immediately consult your doctor.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.